Are you looking for a reliable, feature-rich backup solution to protect your computer's data? Meet AOMEI Backupper, your ultimate data safeguarding tool. AOMEI Backupper is designed with system backup, disk cloning, and flexible file sync to ensure your data is always secure. Whether it's your operating system, important files, or the entire disk, AOMEI Backupper has you covered. They have 14 years of data backup experience, used and trusted by more than 60 million users in 80 countries and regions worldwide. Ease of use is at the core of AOMEI Backupper. The simple, flexible interface makes it quick to set up backups, while the cost-effective standard version handles most people's needs. AOMEI Backupper offers 3 different versions available for download: Standard, Professional, and Workstation. The standard version is free, covering essential features such as file backup, disk partitioning, and basic syncing. For more advanced capabilities and faster performance, the Professional and Workstation versions are ideal. AOMEI Backupper is compatible with a wide range of Windows operating systems, including Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, and 11. It also supports Mac OS 10.15 and later. From partition backups to system recovery, AOMEI Backupper offers comprehensive functions for all your data protection needs. And here's the best part: AOMEI is running an exciting giveaway until January 10th, 2025. They're teaming up with other companies to offer 22 amazing products. Don't miss out on the fantastic opportunity. Stay till the end of the video to hear more about this. Alright, let me show you how to download AOMEI Backupper. Head over to their website, ubackup.com/AB. The link for this will be in the description below. Click on Download Center button. If you want to download the free version for Windows, click on the Download Freeware button. If you are using Mac OS, click on the Switch to Mac button and follow the same steps. After downloading the software, run the Setup Wizard to begin installation. First, select your preferred language and click OK. To proceed with the standard free version, simply click Skip when prompted to try the Pro version. Make sure to check the box to accept the agreement, then click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Enjoy Now to launch the program and to start using AOMEI Backupper. In the AOMEI Backupper dashboard, you'll find a variety of tools including Backup, Sync, Restore, Clone, and more. I'm going to walk you through how to use the Backup tool. To create your first backup, click on Backup and select the type you want. You have several options: System Backup, which backs up Windows and creates an image of your system partition; Partition Backup, which saves partitions or dynamic volumes to an image file; Disk Backup, which captures entire hard disks to an image file; and File Backup, which easily backs up files and folders. For users with the professional version, there are additional options like Email Backup and Outlook Backup. You can also choose Cloud Backup to securely store your data in AOMEI's reliable cloud storage. For this demonstration, I'll use the Disk Backup tool to create a disk image of one of my storage drives. To do this, click on Disk Backup under the Backup category. Select the disk you want to back up, choose the destination where you'd like to save the backup, and then click Start Backup. This process will begin and may take some time depending on the size of the drive you are trying to back up. This tool makes it simple, whether you're backing up your system or cloning a disk. AOMEI Backupper makes it easy for everyone. Don't miss out on the exciting giveaway campaign still underway. With 22 fantastic products valued at $1,453 up for grabs. There's something for everyone. Some of the popular items include AOMEI Backupper Pro, AnyViewer Pro, and AOMEI Phone Backup Pro. But that's not all. They also offer a range of other powerful tools for data protection, PC cleaning, multimedia management, end-to-end practical assistance to enhance your digital life. Hurry though, the giveaway ends January 10th, 2025, so make sure to enter now for amazing products. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.